I really do love this new device, but how am I supposed to use it? You know me, I only like an on-off button and a heat dial. I mean, how am I supposed to use this thing?
Well, I know you don't like reading manuals.
No, I don't.
Quick starts, right? It's got prints in there.
Right.
But you've got an on-off button. You've then got zone 1, zone 2.
Mine longer on the underground.
Mega zone. And it divides into 2, or you can have a whole one. So zone 1 is this side, there. Zone 2 is this side.
Oh,
Mega
darling.
zone, you take that out and you have a whole space to support.
Right.
Then, once you've decided what if you're cooking both sides or Mega Zone, the whole of it, you then just press the button 1 and put it onto air fry, roast, bake, reheat food, dehydrate, or prove. So you to prove your bread. And then what you do is once you've got that temperature and the time, or you can change the temperature, it suggests the temperature,
right.
you can just change the time of the up and down arrows, and then when you're ready, you just press start.
Right.
If you're cooking 2 things at a time, and one of them has a different, you can actually set different temperatures for this side and that side,
right.
and different times. And what you do is you do all that before you press start, press sync. And then what that will do, it won't start the cooking on the other side, it may take less time until it gets down to that time. So everything starts, everything's finished at the same time.
Right.
Yes. And we can do match. Say if you're setting up this side to cook at 200 Celsius for 20 minutes, instead of having to sit there doing this again, you just click match, and that will just set zone 2 to the same as what you set zone 1.
Oh, I've got a headache now, darling.
Oh, it's very simple.
Oh, thank you.
Very
Yeah, yeah.
simple.